that ang Guwahati thangka Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast ni bagay. Hinke I was one of the state winner. Hinke ang Mega Miss Tripura title achieve khaika. After that I went to Miss Hornbill International je Kohimao angkha on the year 2023 wo. Hinke again ang Paimalia I was in top 5. After that ang kabangman rejection of face khaika. It was a roller coaster ride, you can say, all ups and downs. Ang only rejection face khaika, and after that one fine day ang kaisa email manu GMI Miss India ni siming. So GMI is something which is Global Model India. Hanki or ni siming ang email mangkha. Hanki boro anes sungu Puspita, are you interested to give audition for GMI Miss India? Hanki I was going through a lot. Hinki ang wansuka, why not? Ang audition runay hinay. Hinki hopefully ang audition crack khaika. Hinki 13 ni siming 13 December 2024 ni siming 16 December 2024 zora Bombay ni Alpro Auditorium mo GMI Miss India ni competition angkha. Hinki first to like prepare khaika ang 3 years experience ang onek no prepare khaika, but I wasn't expecting yang paine hinay, but hopefully noro to ni hamzak man noro ni blessings by ang hopefully GMI Miss
khorok busuk rok apro participate khainai bisingo nangjet oro GMI yo apply mani
so GMI Miss India hangito national level ni so from each state masa ke mane compete khayota contestants phayo mane so 30 competitors tong mani hangkai ang ke winner angkha ke Odisha ke first runners up ke Maharashtra ke second runners up angkha
30 tong mani ta
30
Kita next sobo jago thangna ni bagai tiar khai tong
ani next hangkai ang Jakarta ni Indonesia wo Miss Culture International lo thangi participate khainai je angnai June this year ni June 2025 ni June angna nai tung
akar charong hangke nang boma hai culture no talangai thangna nai tong
Ttaadc to it's not only Tripura. Ttaadc to it's about whole India, so it's a very big thing. So I'm planning that ang like siguro nas know that mainland India by Northeast India there is still gap. So as I am from Northeast, I would like to break the gap between the mainland India and the Northeast India. So I will do something fusion of Northeast India and the mainland India. Amai hini na wan sugi tong Ttaadc.
acha ke nini line to tabuk je nang pori tong mani to medical abo khe boma hai ago goi tong tabuk
tam sanai tabu onek na ups and downs being in medical field chung tonek ma pori o chung bugwa mango hangkai tabuk wa ang amon leave mane tam sanai sometimes chung leave manau kam ni bagai and I'm someone who doesn't like traveling but chung travel ma khayo kam ni bagai hinge onek no leave rok manao hinge jeffro ta thangi join khai africa chung hospital extra shift rok ma khayo amti rokta
acha ke nang tak medical side facing da besini ni musung mani besi na ayang ni Miss India nani bakhak bomo hai ni khatung mung to kaini tong la kaisa to major tong nani ni bomo
amti to kuno ya kaisa choose khaimia because I have to balance both things because Ttaadc Miss India is something je ani kaisa dream tong mani cherai from ni siming mane as a girl as I was a kid ani kaisa dream tong mani that I will be Miss India someday, if not Miss India then mane ani kaisa dream tong mani that an Indian represent khainai in a global platform. So it happened and ani parents ni kaisa imang tongo that ang medical background no tong thung that born kaisa expectations tongo that ang jisupa na khaitung but I have to complete my studies anyhow. Hinke yeah, I'm balancing both things right
both
now.
things.
Yeah.
Okay. Da, come back.